In our discussion regarding India, ASEAN and Southeast Asia, yet another very interesting and important topic is BIMSTEC. This is a smaller regional cooperation between SAARC and ASEAN. So, India has taken a lot of steps in the recent past to make it more meaningful and important. But how far BIMSTEC is going to be successful, and are they really going to be successful? All these issues I would like to discuss in this video. So, the focus is on what is it, what is the purpose behind it, and how far it has moved forward. That is the discussion I would like to make in BIMSTEC. So, the idea of BIMSTEC, it's a regional grouping around Bay of Bengal right now. Originally the idea was started or came in 1997, and at that time it was all littoral countries of Bay of Bengal. All those are surrounding Bay of Bengal. If you look from the west, you can talk about just Sri Lanka, then India, then Bangladesh, Myanmar and Thailand. So, 5 countries who are surrounding this Bay of Bengal, and in fact, if you look at the atlas also, we can see that. So, please see in this region. So, Sri Lanka is there, then India, Bangladesh, Myanmar and Thailand. See, by the time Malaysia starts, it is not bordering, we can say it is in the Malacca Strait, and it is not considered to be part of the Bay of Bengal. I mean, even though it may be the tip of the Bay of Bengal. So, Malaysia and Indonesia will not come into picture. The other countries in this region from Sri Lanka, India to this. So, initially in 1997 when this idea started, only these 5 countries were there. Subsequently, countries like Nepal and Bhutan, who has no other access, they are landlocked countries, they have no other access, they also said that they also would like to be part of this kind of an organization, and that is how we included Nepal and Bhutan subsequently. So, initially it was these 5 countries, subsequently Nepal and Bhutan were also added. So, making it the 7-member BIMSTEC. Okay. So, this is the idea was to have greater collaboration. So, initially BIMSTEC was, the full form was Bangladesh, India, Myanmar, Sri Lanka and Thailand. Economic cooperation. So, initially it was BIMSTEC. So, Bangladesh, India, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Thailand Economic Cooperation. That was the original name. But subsequently, when Nepal and Bhutan joined, we renamed it. Now it is, but we did not change the name. The acronym we did not change. So, we made it Bay of Bengal Initiative for multi-sectoral then multi-sectoral, that is M&A, technical and economic cooperation. Okay. So, Bay of Bengal Initiative for multi-sectoral, technical and economic cooperation. So, once again you can see BIMS, multi-sectoral, then technical and economic cooperation. So, Bay of Bengal Initiative for multi-sectoral, technical and economic cooperation. So, we have renamed, or rather the full form has been changed when Nepal and Bhutan was also added. Okay. So, that has became that. Now, the main objective of BIMSTEC, now coming to the main objective. Include is technological and economic cooperation among South Asian and Southeast Asian countries along the coast of Bay of Bengal. So, technological and economic cooperation. technological and economic cooperation. And we have identified areas like commerce, then investment, then technology, tourism, human resource development, HRD, human resource development, agriculture, fisheries, then transport, communication, textile, leather, transport and communication, textile industry, leather industry. So we have identified certain areas where there can be greater cooperation. So technological and economic cooperation around the Bay of Bengal countries. Initially 5 countries, now it has become 7, including Nepal and Bhutan. And we even created a headquarters for BIMSTEC in 2014 at Dhaka. Okay, in Dhaka, in 2014, a headquarters has been inaugurated by the Bangladeshi Prime Minister at that time. And BIMSTEC is said to have been encouraged by, in fact, the whole idea is an outgrowth of our Look East policy. BIMSTEC as well as the Look West policy of Thailand. So it's an outgrowth of the Look East